How to add widgets on your laptop, desktop, and the start menu as well. So first you will need to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And from here, click on personalization. And then from the left, select taskbar and scroll down. And for Windows 11, you should turn on the widgets option from here, which you should find in this page. And once you turn it on, you can close out of this window. Next, you will need to open up the Microsoft Store. And then in the search bar, you want to search for widget like this. And there are multiple apps that offer widgets, but I think the best one is probably this widget launcher, or you can use the Widget Pro. But this widget launcher is free, so you can get it for free and start using it. Now once it's installed, you just need to open it up, and now you can basically look for any widget that you want to use. So for example, the CPU meter, you can click on it and customize the skins, for example color for dark, and then click on launch widget, and then just wait for it to display this ad real quick. And then click on launch widget and it should appear on your desktop, which is this window right here. And then you can click with the left mouse, hold it down and move it around in your desktop. And if you want to get rid of it, just click on this close button to take it off the desktop. And once the widget is on your desktop, you can basically close this program and it will keep running. For example, I'm going to add this world clock and then hit launch widget and it will appear on my desktop. And if I close the application, it's still running, as you can see right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.